November 2025 already come. Okay, so in this November you should focus on very trending products because it's the very peak time for the Q4. Okay, so in this video I will show you 5 very good products for this November 2025. You don't need to any paid tools, you don't need to see 100 videos to find winning products, because in my channel you will find very good effective videos. Your time will be saved, your money will be saved. Okay, so our first product is Bohon desk lamp for home office LED desk light with USB. Okay, first of all, when you will find a product, your first things will be the validation process. Okay, because this product or every product you should validate first. You don't need to, or you cannot find any random products by your choice. No, in dropshipping it's not like work. So the validation system is like, you can see that the reviews. Okay, yeah, 3.398 ratings and 4.5 star ratings reviews. Okay, it's out of 5, so which is very good. So 79% people give this 5 stars. Okay, so you can see that, so everyone's people give 5% reviews, I mean 5 star reviews. So why this is not a good product? And the past month this product bought 300 plus. Okay, but this is kind of a brand product, small brand product, so you have to go to AliExpress and you should find more relevant products. Okay, these stores owners, I mean, I am finding from Amazon, because in Amazon it's enough to find a winning product for dropshipping, because in Amazon you will see a lot of data, a lot of validated process that why this product is winning. So that's why. But AliExpress is good, but in AliExpress you will not get any much more data. Okay, but Amazon is very good. So we will go to in the down and we will see that the customer reviews. So this is the customer said that they're giving good reviews. Okay, it's a good light little lamp, perfect for my lighting stand, and this is in 3 months ago. This is in August, that excellent small desk lamp. Okay, from United States, and this is good luck with this lamp. This is September, I mean last month's review. So you can see that each comment is the recent comments, I mean within the past 3 months or 2 months. Then this is a good product. When you will see that this product's reviews in the past 2 months and very good reviews, so you can list this product as a winning product. Okay, and we will move to the next product, which is the Sensyne 10 inches ring light with 50 inches extendable tripod stand. Okay, and you can see, oh my god, 10k plus bought in the past month. This is the reviews. Okay, and 4.4 star reviews. Oh my god, 71,000 ratings. So if we go to the ratings, okay, so yeah, October 15, yes. Excellent ring light for content creation. I am really impressed with the Sensyne, because why this is a good product, and you have to follow the trends. People are now very affected, and they are passionate to create content, and in digital world it's coming, so everyone wants to become a good content creator. Almost 70-80% moving to digital products. Okay, and they are always trying to create a digital space to make them more famous. Okay, so how you will do advertise? So you have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, just go to, and then you have to make good reviews as UGC content. You will not say I'm selling this product. No, you will say that this product changed my life. You will say the benefits of product. You don't need to sell products, you will sell the benefits. Okay, and then the customer will love the product. The third product is smart ring with sleep monitoring, 10-day battery lives. Okay, and this is have technology systems, last month 50 plus, but it's not bad, because this is very new product, so that's why order is some less. So we'll go to the ratings, and you can see October 20, I mean 10 days ago, this products got reviews. And beautiful rings fits perfectly. Definitely check your size chart first. The battery lasts forever. I easily get a week or more. It tracks sleep. Okay, yeah, so you can see everyone's saying good reviews. Okay, and so you can see that this product has recent reviews, recent comments, recent trends. That's why we can list this product. And our next product is you know that next month is a Christmas. Okay, December, so you have to follow trends. The seasonal products also you have to find. So motion Christmas decorations indoor, past month 700 orders. Okay, and the reviews 4.5 star reviews. Okay, it's good. So we'll go to ratings. The price is 1800. I mean, in your fridge, in your every types of furniture, you can decorate this product. You can see this one, this one, yeah, this one, everything is very good. So we will go to ratings. Okay, in ratings, yeah, ratings criteria is also good. September, June, okay, December, May, and December 15. So it's kind of seasonal product. That's why during that Christmas season is selling well. You can see that last year September 2020. I mean, sorry, yeah, December 4, 2024. Okay, December 4, May 2024. 4. So yeah, it's good. So we can list this product as a good product. Our last product is, this is also kind of seasonal product, because you know the winter season is coming, so that's why we will have to find a seasonal products also. So 3-pack fleece lined leggings, women's, okay, 4.3 star reviews. Price is also very reasonable, 27. So in from your supplier, you will get this product within 15 with shipping. Okay, I can source, no problem. And the price is 27. So your profit margin will be 50%. Okay, so that's why this is very good product. And let's see the reviews, ratings. Okay, the ratings is October 10, so last month, yeah, 20 days ago. So cozy and flattering. I absolutely love this leggings. Okay, and these are by far one of the most comfortable leggings ever. Okay, October 24th, this very good product, my friend. Only 5 days ago reviews, 4 days ago reviews, everything's very recent, so it's have a good trend. So you must need to try this product. Okay, but nobody cannot guarantee that you can sell this product. Everything depends on your marketing, on your creativity, and which angle you will advertise these products. Okay, so that's it. So please subscribe, and for more dropshipping valuable content, please subscribe and I will help you. Any types of dropshipping help, just comment below or contact me. I will definitely contact you. Okay.